today we're going to learn how to count money. We need money for everyday necessities, and we need to learn how to count money so we can buy those necessities. So, we're going to talk about our different kinds of money. This is a penny. It is worth 1 cent. Pass that around so everyone can see it. This is a nickel. It is worth 5 cents. This is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. This is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. And this is a dollar bill. Sometimes these come in coin forms too. Okay, so now we're going to watch a video. And this is about money too.
Hey kids, how are you guys doing today? Great! Hey, I recently got a job mowing lawns for this park. I started to earn some money, but I was wondering if you can help me learn about money so I will know how much I am earning. Can you guys help me with that? Thanks, guys. Okay, let's go over to the table and look at some coins and see if we can make sense of it. Here on the table we have a golden diamond ring. On the right we have a big rock. Which one of these objects is bigger, the diamond ring or the rock?
The rock.
Yeah, the rock is totally bigger. Now can you tell me which one of these objects is worth more money?
Ring. Diamond ring.
I heard someone say the diamond ring is worth more money. But how?
Good job.
The rock is so much bigger. Yeah, the diamond ring is definitely worth more than the rock though. Even though the ring is smaller, it is still worth more than the rock. And did you notice there is only one diamond ring and one rock? So even though there is only one of each of them has a different value. Let's look at some coins now, and I will show you what I mean.
Do you guys know what the word value means?
How much money it makes?
Um,
How much money it's worth?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so yeah, that's important when we're talking about money.
This coin is called a penny. A penny is worth only 1 cent. The word cent is used when talking about coins. This is the cent symbol. Okay, let's use our tens blocks to compare the worth or value of this coin. The penny is only worth 1 cent, as we see here. This next coin is called a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. These 5 ones blocks represent the value of this nickel. So the penny is worth 1 cent, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Our next coin is smaller than the nickel and the penny. But just as we learned with the ring and the rock, the size is not important. This coin is called a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. You can see this with one of our tens blocks. This tens block has 10 blocks in it, so it represents the dime. So the penny is worth 1 cent, the nickel is worth 5 cents, and the dime is worth 10 cents. Our last coin is called a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. To show 25 cents with our blocks, we would need 25 blocks, right? So to get 25 blocks, we need 2 tens blocks and 5 ones blocks. This set of tens blocks represents a quarter. So we have our penny that is worth 1 cent, our nickel that is worth 5 cents, our dime that is worth 10 cents, and last of all, our quarter that is worth 25 cents. Okay, can you tell me which coin is worth more, the dime or the quarter?
Quarter.
The quarter
Good job,
is worth
good job.
more. We can see that the dime is worth 10 of these blocks, and the quarter is worth 25 of these blocks. A quarter is worth more than a dime. Which coin is worth more here, the nickel or the dime?
Dime.
Aiden, how'd you get that answer?
Because it says on one there, it says there's 5 right there, and and on that one it just shows 5, and then that one it just has that symbol, and it seems that it has 10 more, and that has more blocks.
Right, yep. 10's more than 5, right?
Even though it's smaller, it means more.
Yep, even though
It
this
has
is...
a higher value.
Right, yes. Even though it's smaller in size, it has a higher value, yep.
The dime is worth more. Good job. The dime is worth 10 cents, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. 10 is more than 5. Let's look at one more. Here we have the penny and the nickel. Which coin is worth more?
Nickel.
Good job, yep.
Good job. The nickel is worth more than the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Since each of these coins has a different value, there are many ways to add these up. For example, I am getting paid 25 cents to mow this lawn. Let's look at some ways I can get paid 25 cents. Here are a couple of ways we can get 25 cents. We are using the blocks to help us. Here we have 2 tens blocks and 5 ones. These 2 tens blocks can each be dimes since they both represent 10. The 5 ones can represent a nickel since a nickel is worth 5 cents. Together we have 20 cents in dimes and 5 cents with a nickel, which makes 25 cents altogether. Great job, guys! The next group we are looking at has 1 tens block.
Okay, so let's do this one together.
It has
You can go ahead, Caitlin.
It has 5, 10, 15, 15, and then a nickel. So
No, and a dime.
yeah, and a dime.
So
So
it'd be
basically,
25.
yeah, so 15, and then
Well, what do you think, Aiden?
It's like still the same because you see, because that's just a note 10, but without the 2 tens, and there's just note 5. But that's just making like a 10 somewhere, and that's
Okay,
making a
so
5.
that's a
Right.
One of
so it
those
on
make a
the
10,
other one. Okay.
and the other one and then the last one makes 1, and it makes 5 to make it 25 cents.
The answer is 25, yes, but...
So how do you know what this is?
Those are just 5. There's 5 and 5 and 5.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Good job.
And and then when you keep counting by 5s, they'll make 2 of those rows make another one, and there's only 5 left.
Yep.
And then it has just 25.
Good job, yeah. Good job, you guys. Yep.
And 15 ones. So we could represent the tens block with a dime, and the 15 ones could all be pennies. Adding the dime and 15 pennies gives us 25 cents. There are many ways to do this, and we just looked at 2, but you can do so many more on your own. Thanks for helping me learn the basics of money, guys. I really appreciate it.
Okay. So, we watched that video. I'm going to have you guys write down on a piece of paper one thing you learned from that video. I'll give you a little time to think about it. What's one thing you learned? Amy? You just watched. What do you think? Well, we learned about the counting with the blocks, right?
Counting with blocks?
Well, how did you learn that way? What is one of these?
10.
Yeah, and what does that equal?
Down.
What is 10 equal?
Down.
Yeah, you learned that, didn't you?
10, right that. 10 rows, and make a dime.
10 blocks, so 10 cents, right? 10
So I got
cents
that.
is
10 cents.
yeah.